Hello everyone, just quickly want to talk about a product called DIY Dish System. So you have obviously come across this video because you're doing some research. Now I do want to mention a couple of things about the product, but at any point you want to get the product, we are going to leave a link down below so you have ease of access to it. If you feel like you should purchase, which after this review, trust me, I think I might have changed your mind. Anyway, so the DIY dish system. So if you are looking for a way to create energy, obviously, the DIY system is for you. It's as simple as that. But hang on. So if you're looking for a step-by-step, and I mean step-by-step, they're not going to leave any stone unturned. So, it's a step-by-step guide on how to create energy. Now, that's good. Okay, that's good. That would be a good product in itself. But not only that, they're going to teach you how to create unlimited energy along with doing it for free. Okay, so you buy the guide, the DIY system, you watch the step-by-step training, and they'll show you a method on how you can generate unlimited energy, okay, just using a free method, okay, just so you don't have to spend much money or really any money because it's a free method. The next thing is it's clean energy, so the energy is going to be clean. They're making sure it's safe, the energy is safe and clean, because you don't want to be spending money on products that teach you a failed system. Okay, they teach you a failed system that does not work and could be dangerous or not clean energy. You want clean energy, and that's why the DIY system would help. The DIY dish system can help you create unlimited energy for free, for zero, nothing. Okay, nothing, for free. You buy the product, they give you step-by-step instructions to set this up for free to gather yourself unlimited energy. And like I said, they've made sure it's going to be clean energy, so you're all good on that front. And I recommend you get this, because if you're looking in to create like energy and things like that, there's probably most likely no better product that I've found than the DIY dish system. So what I recommend you do is click that link in the description and start creating unlimited energy for yourself. That's clean and that is free. Link down below. Okay, goodbye guys.